We are the Wolfson Brain Imaging Centre, where we've got our kind of PET MR scanner, which actually was funded by DPUK back 4 or 5 years ago. And that's been central to the imaging components of the DPUK. And in terms of PET imaging, what we can actually do, and for the first time, actually visualize the key proteins associated with Alzheimer's and dementias of various forms, be it amyloid, be it tau. Also, I suppose more recently, we are looking at aspects of inflammation, which has been a key component of our program. But what we want to look at now, and through the impact study, is to look at other aspects of inflammation to really see can give us a bit more better understanding how inflammation kind of fits in. And that's been a key program of very much the Dementias Platform immunology theme in terms of that. So that really combines why we are here, and which PET is very much central to the programs of DPUK.
Now, apart from using PET in immunology, in the immunology work and with the synaptic work, because this is all data that can be stored at the data portal, this has potential for many, many more studies, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, in essence, by actually going to the data platform, then of course other researchers can actually access this data and kind of later on use it and reanalyze it and start putting it in the context of their own future studies and actually understand how that might fit in as a component of their research. So really to start to try and get, I suppose, a more holistic understanding of maybe synaptic health or inflammation and might fit in the programs they are doing. So that's a real advantage of having accessible from what we call is the XNAT data portal.
This is really an exciting element of what's going on because of the level of detail in this critical part of seeing how the brain's actually functioning.
Yeah, well, PET is the only means you actually can see this key pathology in the human brain. There's no other way of visualizing it, and more importantly, quantify it. And then by using that, you can understand more understanding of the mechanism, how it affects in terms of early development, how it might progress longitudinally, but also actually start thinking about new therapies and how a therapy might affect in terms of therapy response. Does it lower amyloid and the sense of that? So really, PET, very much in the last 10, 15 years, has been a central aspect of dementia research and really underpins the Dementias Platform UK, hence the investment in several years in funding PET MR scanners.